Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to learn about congruent circles. You might have heard the word congruent before in math class, but what does it specifically mean when we talk about circles? By the end of this video, you will understand exactly what makes two circles same-size circles. First, let us define what congruence means. In geometry, two figures are congruent if they are identical. This means they must have exactly the same shape and exactly the same size. Now, here is the simple part about circles. Every single circle in the universe already has the same shape. They are all round. So, to check if circles are congruent, we only need to care about one thing: their size. So, what determines the size of a circle? It is the radius. The radius is the distance from the center of the circle to the edge. Here is the most important rule for today. If radius 1 equals radius 2, then the circles are congruent. It is that simple. The radius is the key. Let us look at an example of circles that are not congruent. On this slide, you can clearly see that the circle on the left is smaller than the circle on the right. Why? Because their radii are different. The first radius is 3 centimeters and the second is 6 centimeters. Since the numbers are different, the sizes are different, and they are not congruent. Sometimes you might be given the diameter instead of the radius. Remember, the diameter is just 2 times the radius. So, if two circles have equal diameters, that also guarantees they are congruent. You can use either the radius or the diameter to check. Be careful not to confuse congruent circles with concentric circles. On the left, we have congruent circles. They are in different places, but they are the same size. On the right, we have concentric circles. Concentric means they share the same center point, like a target or a bullseye, but they are different sizes. Concentric circles are usually not congruent. Because congruent circles have the same radius, they also share other properties. They will have exactly the same circumference, which is the distance around the circle. They will also have exactly the same area, which is the amount of space inside the circle. If you calculate the math for one, you know the answer for the other. A fun way to think about this is the superposition test. Imagine you drew two circles on a piece of paper. If you cut one circle out with scissors and placed it directly on top of the other circle, they would match perfectly. No edges would stick out. This perfect overlap is the physical proof of congruence. Where do we see this in real life? Think about the wheels on a car. The front left tire must be congruent to the front right tire, otherwise, the car would drive unevenly. Dinner plates in a set are congruent so they stack neatly in your cupboard. Coins of the same value, like 2 quarters, are also congruent circles. To summarize what we learned, congruent circles are just circles with equal radii. If the radius is the same, the area and circumference are also the same. Just remember, same size, same shape. That is all there is to it. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.